So now as a parent, what you should avoid doing it. Whenever you see the sibling rivalry हो रही है और आपको involve होना पड़ेगा, or even if the children are fighting, first understand they are fighting couple of times. That's okay. That's very normal. Sibling fights hogi, which is very important for their bond also. So not to worry too much at initial stage that when they are fighting, but understand the intensity of the fights. Okay, and when you have to get involved, avoid doing these things. Avoid taking sides of your child, even though you know that one sibling is correct and another one is wrong. You know you are having the rationality, black and white दिख रहा है, लेकिन उस वक्त किसी भी एक बच्चे का साइड लेना is going to be very very negative impact on the another one. So do not take the sides. Okay, ideally उन दोनों को separate करो when they are fighting. Do not pick sides, do not rationalize anything, do not do anything, just दोनों को अलग अलग रूम में बिठा दो. One parent with one person, another parent with another person. That's the first thing you should do. Do not take sides. That's the first thing. Second, encourage solution. So दोनों लड़ रहे हैं एक चॉकलेट के लिए. Okay, लड़ रहे, खींच रहे, blame कर रहे. So what you as a parent have to do कि इसने कल चॉकलेट खाया था, आज इसको नहीं, आज इसको मैं चॉकलेट देती हूँ. Don't do that. It's called taking sides. Instead, take the chocolate, break the chocolate into two parts, give it one to this and one to this. Tell the children that have a solution. What is the point of fighting? उनको rationalize करके fight करके किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So instead, break the chocolate or nobody is getting the chocolate. So ये solution हो जाएगा. Okay, and focus on more quick solutions, so the child also learns a resolution skills कि problem है तो solve करो rather than fighting, bickering and name calling and teasing each other. Let's encourage the solutions. So tell this to the child, or you can give the options to the child. Do you want to share it? If the child is saying no, then okay, you cannot have it. Everything in this house is shared by everyone. So if you want to have the chocolate, you have to share with your sibling. Okay, you are focusing on rules which you have already given, but encourage as much as possible the solution. तुमने ये क्या, ये गलत है, तुमने ये क्या, ये सही है. Do not get into that conversation at that time. Okay. Third is the setting limits. Setting limits is again disciplining. Okay, there are certain ground rules in the house which should be obeyed by every child in the house, every member in the house. So nobody is allowed to fight, like physical fights, not encouraged. Nobody is allowed to talk to certain pitch. When we talk about this, ये rules, house rules, parents को भी follow करना है. It's not only for the child, it has to be followed by parents also. Then only the child will portray it. Okay, nobody is allowed to talk at a higher pitch. Everybody has to listen to each other when one person is talking. Do not interrupt anyone when one person is talking. Okay, ऐसे basic house rules create करने जो every member of the family is following. Okay, अगर जब भी fight हो रही है and you're taking one person's side, okay, you have to make sure the limits are not crossed. Okay, discipline. चाहे वो बच्चा सही था या गलत था, doesn't matter. But if a child has broken the house rule needs to be reminded to the child whenever they are fighting, to the children. Fourth one is teach empathy. Okay, lot of time the kids are doing one thing, that they hit one child, okay, and they run away. Okay, at that time we are consoling the person who is getting beaten up. Okay, yes, but also we don't have to shout and yell at the child who has hit the sibling. We have to sit with the child and we have to teach empathy, that how does it feel when somebody is biting us, somebody is beating us, or somebody is doing pushing us. How does it feel? If somebody is doing this to your sibling on the playground, then how would you feel? So talking, storytelling is very important for us to teach a child about empathy, making them understand this is your sibling. You cannot treat your sibling this way, and also telling other sibling that this is your brother or sister. You also cannot treat, you both are one entities when you're coming out of the house. Telling them to be a team player out of the house, like you are there for each other. So that can be learned by empathy. Okay, empathy के लिए उनको बहुत सारी चीजें, if a child is sick, one of the child is sick, then asking another child to take care of it. Like you as a parent is doing a lot of things. So उसको बोल सकते कि जो भैया को दर्द हो रहा है, उनके लिए पानी लेके आओ, उनके लिए बैंडेड लेके आओ, उनको चोट लग गई है. You're teaching a child कि when a sibling is in pain, you also have to help that brother or sister with the pain relief. And the last point, avoid playing favorites. It's a self-explanatory. कुछ भी हो जाए, कौन सही कौन गलत, वो उस वक्त analysis नहीं करना है. Making sure that you're not taking sides of any child. You're listening to both the child.